Every tube begins far from the bathroom shelf.
Raw materials are stripped to their basics.
Only specific structures move forward. Volume replaces variability. Movement becomes momentum.
The journey shifts from farm to factory.
Distance adds transformation.
Destination defines purpose.
Raw matter enters controlled space.
Precision begins before processing. A factory breathes in. Materials cue for identity. Flow replaces form.
Everything is measured.
Isolation ensures consistency.
Human judgment still matters.
Order is imposed.
Transformation is about to begin. Inside the facility, movement is carefully choreographed. Streams become one controlled current. Temporary stillness prepares the next move.
Weight is carried with precision. Paths are engineered for flow. Levels separate processes.
Elevation changes the workflow. Timing is everything.
Consistency is engineered.
Transfer without interruption.
Control narrows the variables.
Safety frames every decision. Every step is defined. Traceability never breaks. Approval opens the path.
Waiting without stopping.
Now, the real work begins. Scale defines modern production. Everything moves with intention. Control starts at the threshold.
The factory opens its core, where every tube begins its journey.
No step exists alone. Each tube follows its path. People remain part of the system. Order replaces chaos.
Observation guides action.
Guidance is built into space. Access is automated. Transformation requires the right environment, where every tube evolves. Utilities power progress. Cleaning is engineered.
Precision is maintained.
Protection is constant, safeguarding every tube.
Systems come alive.
Entry marks commitment.
The process is contained. Purity begins with force. Nothing is wasted without review. Cleanliness is layered. Visibility exposes flaws. Human eyes still decide. Uniformity is engineered.
Only the right structure advances.
Selection defines quality. The last wash confirms intent. Drying begins immediately.
Air finishes what water started.
Cleanliness is confirmed. Gravity joins the process. Timing is controlled.
Safety is non-negotiable.
The next transformation. Wait.
Structure gives way. Form is about to change. Strength is reduced to scale. What breaks becomes manageable.
Air is controlled as carefully as solids.
Uniformity is enforced.
Nothing escapes refinement. Every tube returns to perfection.
Texture now defines value. Fineness is engineered.
Heat is the silent risk.
Flow changes direction. Material waits in balance. Quantity matters as much as quality. Control is continuous.
Chemistry takes over.
Bones become chemistry.
Balance is measured.
Time completes the reaction. At entry the fencer.
The base ingredient is ready.
Preparation gives way to transformation. Heat reshapes without burning.
Moisture leaves. Structure remains.
Air and solid part ways.
Stability returns. Smoothness is deliberate.
The base travels forward.
Formulation begins. Function is engineered.
Touch confirms texture.
One ingredient is complete. Balance starts with fluid. Viscosity defines feel. Solid meets fluid. Toothpaste takes shape. Air is removed.
Consistency is verified.
The core is ready.
Automation now takes over, guiding every tube with precision.
Machines decide the path.
Precision replaces guesswork.
Power stays controlled.
Scale without variety.
Automation handles repetition.
Alignment is critical.
Accuracy happens in millimeters.
Every dose is exact.
Clean edges matter.
Verification never stops.
Errors exit quietly.
Preparation prevents faults. Every tube is spotless.
Closure is permanent.
Strength sets with time.
Integrity is measured. Traceability is permanent.
Small parts matter.
The tube becomes complete, ready for its journey.
Presentation begins with cleanliness. Every tube shines. Moisture is eliminated. Every tube is ready for the next step. Appearance is measured. Every tube meets the standard. Details define trust. Every tube communicates quality. Security is confirmed. Every tube is sealed perfectly. Order is refined. Every tube finds its place.
Packaging takes shape.
Structure is created. Protection surrounds the product.
Information travels with product. The pack is sealed.
Identity is recorded.
Completeness is verified.
Units become volume. Protection is reinforced.
Form is set.
Final checks await.
Standards are verified scientifically.
Appearance reflects care.
Consistency is non-negotiable.
Safety is measured over time.
Texture confirms consistency.
Balance is validated. Purity is confirmed.
Strength withstands stress.
Traceability is complete. Presentation is secured.
Conditions protect quality.
Every action is recorded.
Inspection guides next steps.
Defects are contained. Approval signals the path ahead. Final movement begins. Every tube is on its way.
Order is automated.
Repetition achieves perfection.
Precision is non-negotiable. Protection is finalized.
Identification travels with goods.
Flow meets readiness.
Movement continues seamlessly.
Organization meets capacity. Every item is tracked. Distribution begin.
Seamless handoff ensures safety.
Efficiency defines logistics.
Safety seals the operation.
Products leave for the world.
Preparedness meets scale.
Completion is visible.
And this is how modern factories produce toothpaste from start to finish.
Scale of production is undeniable.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.